Always make time each day to think about the good things you enjoy. This is what I learned today. I'm happy to share it with you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Samira. I'll be sharing with you how to sew this two-side gathers dress. Hey, subscribe, share, like and comment what you want me to teach next time. You can also turn notification bell to get to see my next upload. I will implore you to keep on watching. Let's dive in, guys. I have my 2 yards of crepe fabric that I'm going to use. I'll be folding it into 4 parts because I'm cutting both together, the front and the back part together. So I'll implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end because you are going to learn new skills on how to cut this style that we are making today. My fabric is folded already into 4 parts because I'm cutting the front and the back part together. I'm going to cut it at once. So I'll be subtracting 5 inches from my tape to get 37.5 inches for my dress length. So that's the 37.5 inches for my dress length. Then I'm going to draw a straight line that I'm going to rule it out at the hemline area of my fabric. That's for the length of my dress. And I'm going to also mark 16 inches for the half length of my dress. Because of my size, you can go more than that. I will also mark my hip length by 24 inches. While my zipper side allowance is by 1 inch. So that's the 1 inch for my zipper side allowance. After that, I'll be marking my neckline now by 3.5 inches and it's going to have square neckline shape. So that's my neckline measurement. So I'm going to connect it together. Don't forget it's going to have square shape. I'll go to my armhole line and mark ½ inch there. So I'm going to connect it together. I'll be dividing what I have for my bust measurements by 4. So I have 36 inches that I'm going to divide it by 4. Now I have 9 inches. So that is what I'm going to mark for my bust measurement. Then I'm going to add 1 inch for my allowance. Then I have 6.5 inches for my waist measurement after dividing it by 4. That is 26 divided by 4. So I'm having 6.5 inches. Then I'm also adding 1.5 inch on my allowance. I'm going to also do that for my hip measurement, 9.5 inches. So after dividing it by 4, that is 38 divided by 4. So I have 9.5 inches. Also added 1 inch for my allowance. Then I'll go to my hemline area to shape it. I'm going to shape it by 34 inches. I'm going to also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Then I'm going to connect the lines together at this point. So that's the connection. Don't forget my dress is going to have 2 side gathers. Okay, so I'm connecting the lines together. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and you can also share it with your friends and family members. Please, you can also comment. You can drop it in the comment section below. So I'll be marking 3 inches to get my middle point line. So that's the 3 inches that I'm marking. So it's for my middle point line. So I'll keep on marking 3 inches down to my hemline area. So I'm going to rule it out. So I'm connecting the lines together for my middle point line. After that, I'll go ahead now and mark 19 inches and that's where my side gathers will be. So that's the 19 inches. And I'll curve it to connect to my middle point line. Okay? As you can see me doing in the video. As for my back neckline, to bring it down, I'm going to mark 1 inch. Then I will give a curve for that. After that, I'll be cutting it out. I want to appreciate you for watching my videos, your comments. You can also request for a video of your choice. You can drop it in the comment section below. I really want to hear from you guys. I believe you are taking notes of what we are doing today. So guys, if you have any question concerning this tutorial, you can drop it in the comment section. So don't forget what we are making today. We are making 2 side gathers dress, and for you to make this particular style, you might need more than this yard, because I'm using 2 yards of this fabric. It's called crepe fabric because of my size, and I want you to follow the step-by-step procedure when making your own. Like I said, if you have any question concerning this particular tutorial, you can drop it in the comment section, and if you don't understand it, that means that you need to watch this video again so that you'll be able to understand it more better. So we are cutting now. So after this session, we are going to cut out the 2 side gathers that we are going to attach at the curve of this dress that we are making today. To cut my side gathers, I'll be folding my fabric again using the side that I've cut out now. So I'm going to lay it on this fabric that I'm folding now. Okay, so let me fold it very well so that we can lay the fabric on it that we are going to use to cut out the side gathers. So I've folded it now, so I'm going to use that part that I've cut out already. I will lay it on this fabric that I've folded now. Okay, as you can see me doing in the video. So your own should look like this when making your own. So the side that I've cut out earlier was 19 inches, but the material that I folded now is by 22 inches to be on a safer side. If there is any excess, I'm going to trim it out. It's better that way. So guys, you can see the procedure that we are using to cut out this tie. So I want you to follow the procedure, the step-by-step procedure that we are using, so that you'll be able to cut one for yourself. Okay, I will be marking ½ inch to stitch it and flare it out. I also added 7 inches to make it to flare out. You are going to see the outcome of this outfit if only you can watch this video to the end. Guys, don't forget to share this tutorial. Please, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed already, you can just pause and click the red button under my video to subscribe now. Can comment also, you can drop it in the comment section. So it's a unique style that we are making today, and I want you to make one for yourself. After this part, I will head over to stitch it, then I'm going to also gather it out. You are going to see that part after this section. Okay, so guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please keep on watching this video. You saw how we're able to cut out the 2 side gather dress that we are making now, the fabric. If you have any question concerning how we're able to cut it out, you can drop it in the comment section below. So I've went ahead to stitch my side gathers, and this is how to draw the thread gently so that the gathers can come out well. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to you. These are my 2 gathers. So I'll head over now to stitch them. To join my body parts together, I'll be dividing what I have by 2. So my bust, I'm going to divide it by 2. Whatever I have, that's what I'm going to mark there. So my waist measurement, I'm going to also divide it by 2. So when joining your body parts, you need to divide them by 2. So guys, I hope you are following up, and like I said, if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to respond to your question. So to stitch my gathers, I'll be stitching it around the curve area of my dress, as you can see me doing in the video. So it's going to go around the curve area. So this is how I'm going to stitch it when stitching it together. You can see how to stitch it. So I'm going to also do that at the other side of the curve. So I'm going to pin it round. So I'm just doing it like this. So this is how I'm going to stitch it when stitching. Don't forget, it's going to go around the curve area of the dress. I'll be cutting my sleeve now, so I'll go ahead and fold my fabric like this, as you can see me doing in the video. Then I'm going to mark 1.5 inch. So I folded it by 1.5 inch. So I'm going to cut it out. So I'm going to use this part that I'm cutting now. I'm going to use it to cut the other side of the sleeve. So this is how to go about it when making your own. So this is how to cut out the other parts of the sleeve. Don't forget, I folded the fabric by 1.5 inch. That is, the width is by 1.5 inch. So I'll head over to stitch it, then I'm going to iron it before attaching it to my dress that I'm making today. Don't forget, the style that I'm making today is a unique style and it's a trendy style, and I want you to know how to cut the style. That's the essence of making this video. So I'll be stitching the sleeve now to my dress. First, I'm going to place it like this, as you can see me doing in the video. After this part, the dress will be ready for us to wear out, and you are going to see how beautiful the dress is. We all need to focus and be consistent in what we are doing. We made it to the end. This dress is beautiful. Clap for yourself. If you cut along with me, and if you did not, don't worry, there is always next time. Do you understand today's sewing tutorial? Let me know in the comment section below. You can subscribe, like, and share. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel, Samira Z Fashion YouTube channel. I'm smiling here. Thank you for watching.